we're back again. And remember the chocolate factory, Hershey's World? And those are the same people here. And we're going, and it's my last day. It's my cousin's last day here. So we're going to go strawberry picking. And me and my grandpa are a team. And let's see who gets the most strawberries. Let's go! Come on!
Say hi, everyone.
Hi. Look, sunscreen time.
Wow! Adi, hi.
We are the team. Yay!
Amazing!
Strawberry picking time. Myra, show a strawberry basket.
Let's pick some strawberries.
Yay!
15 minutes. The team with the most strawberries win.
Yay! Mommy and Adi in one team, right? Give me a high five. Yes, let's go.
Truck over there, and it's going to take us to strawberry picking. I don't know where it's going to take us, but let's see the ride. I'm so excited!
Have you seen that farmhouse actually before?
We're in the ride now. Let's see how bumpy or funky it's going to be. You have to climb up the
You want to say something, Adi?
Are you excited,
No?
Adi?
Are you
What are you
excited?
going to do inside?
So we're going to pick some strawberries.
And who's in your team? Do you have a partner with you?
Who?
You.
You. Who you?
You is you. So mommy's and Adi in one team. Myra, who's your partner?
Foo
Fufaji is here. And Dimpy Didi and Tarun is in one team. And with Aha. And Dadi and Dadu is gonna be a guide. They're gonna judge and enjoy the strawberries, guys. There you go.
Going to the end of time, I can see the
her how much I got right now. And let's see which team wins, and we're going to be starting tomorrow. How many strawberries do you have?
Adi, how many you got? Show me. Wow, you seems to be winning the race right now. Hey, are you having fun, Adi?
Yeah.
Look here. Okay. Oh, mommy is picking too. Hey, mommy. You got nice strawberries, mommy. Thank you.
Adi.
Everybody is in a race of filling their boxes.
This is an
Okay.
Look.
Hey,
Nice one, है ना?
Fufuji.
This one looks like, oh my god.
Good, but there are
The
back.
green one.
एक second.
Oh,
Oh, Adi.
Look at the strawberry.
Yes.
Let's pick it.
Yeah. Show, Anu, show me.
Show.
Wow.
This is strawberry Anu picked.
Show me.
Strawberry
Oh.
Anu, pick it. This one.
ये वाला
Ooh, show it to Dada. Show it to Papa.
ये
Put it here.
मम्मी पापा अपनी पिक करी स्ट्रॉबेरीज दिखा. ओ भाई डब्बा भर लिया मम्मी पापा ने.
Fastest delivery. Papa is very fast.
Yes. वाह दिखा. Oh wow, it looks yummy.
Strawberry dance now. Strawberry. I'm like that.
Bee gonna make strawberry. Asking Bee gonna make strawberries. Bee gonna make strawberry. Mama Bee gonna make strawberries. Bee gonna make strawberries.
Ani. Ahan.
Strawberries.
Guys, so we got all the strawberries and we're going to go back home, but not on this truck. It's just taking us to the main entrance. And then when we go to our car, we're gonna go home because we're tired and we're gonna rest a little bit. And then we're gonna get dinner at my aunt's house. Let's go! Yay!
You want to say something, Adi?
So when we get home, we're gonna eat all the strawberries we picked. Not right, not all. Yeah, not too many, but some of them.
Okay. Start.
Guys, this is the end of our strawberry picking, and I want to say something about the winner of the strawberry race. It was the whole family because other people, the losers, would be sad if the winners won. So everybody wins today. Yay! Let's do